Hello everyone, my name is Monalisa Dayanan. I'm from India and I'm a nutritionist as well as a fitness coach. So I'm basically making this video to give my honest opinion of how I felt when I worked with Sammy and what were the changes which she has created on my life. I would use the word life, not only my workout, not only my the way I eat or something like that, because of many reasons which I'll be telling you in detail. So before, I just want you to take you through my journey from where I've started working with Sammy. So obviously I have found her on Instagram where she was training a couple of few athletes, bikini competitors whom I know personally and whom I speak on regular basis. So I used to have a misconception that Sammy trains only bikini competitors. So I was quite hesitant to approach because I'm not a bikini competitor and I just want to take care of my relationship with food and my relationship with training and to learn more regarding fitness. So I was very hesitant to approach Sammy, thinking that she trains only bikini competitors, and then I have. After a lot of research and after a lot of thinking, after a lot of studying whatever she posts, then I just thought, no, I really want to work with her and let me just talk to one of her client. So then I've just texted one of her client asking that I want to really work with Sammy because it's not only based on her knowledge, but along with that, I'm seeing how her clients are getting results and how they are developing overall and not only in one aspect. So that's the main reason I want to work with her. So one of her client has told me that she's very friendly, very approachable. You can just text her on Instagram and speak about her coaching. So I obviously DM'd her. I'm not. I was very hesitant to even get a slightest hint that I'll be working with her. Or I had no clue. So it was just complete like trial and error basis. I was like, okay, let me just give a shot because I really want to work and I'm not sure if she would accept me as her client or something like that. So I just texted her over Instagram and she was pretty cool. She just took me through the registration process where in the process she had a couple of questions, almost 25 to 30 questions regarding how my lifestyle is, my nutrition, as well as my training and all of that. Where I have written, I still remember I have written that I consume around 1200 to 1300 calories on daily basis and I work out 6 to 7 days a week, which is almost every single day. And I had no clue regarding to my sleep or regarding to my mental health because I was in a state, though I was a coach, I was in a state of constant all or nothing, where I struggled with this pattern for 2 years because I have lost almost 50 kilos. And in this process, I have pushed myself to either eating 1100 to 1200 calories or binging, which is around 3000 to even 4000 calories at time, which I never tracked again. It was very vague estimation. It was a completely very strict form of lifestyle, or either completely not caring about my health at all and probably waiting for Monday or waiting for starting of the month to again start back like how usually clients do. I just used to follow that kind of pattern, and it was very disturbing to me being a coach. I didn't want to be that because I really want to work on that, and I had no clue that Sammy would indirectly help me in this because I was just looking for general nutrition plan and general training plan. So I used to have this kind of pattern before I started working with Sammy. And when it comes to training, I used to just work out 6 to 7 days a week, where I used to alternate between resistance training and cardio again. This used to be very aggressive. I just used to work out for 2.5 hours to 3 hours per day. And I have given very slightest importance to sleep. Though I knew how important sleep is when it comes to health, but still, I really didn't give that much importance to sleep. So when I started working with Sammy, the main thing why I've approached her is I'm very comfortable working with a female coach rather than a male coach because I personally feel the same gender can open up and connect much in a much better way than opposite gender. I don't know, it's my personal feeling. So I was very much happy that I'm working with a female coach where I can speak openly about my period cramps, about my period cycle, about my previous PCOS history, or whatever it is. I was pretty much happy regarding to that. And then, so we just started training, and from then, as I have told you, I had this pattern of all or nothing. Like every single person, I was highly motivated for first week, second week, and when third to fourth week came, my motivation and my let's just say my contribution towards the program just started declining down. So that's when I've written a very huge mail to Sammy. I still remember the mail where I was like literally complaining about how I'm constantly checking myself with models or with competitors on Instagram, and I'm not happy with my body because I was constantly comparing with them. And that's the main reason, because I when only you feel bad about yourself only when you constantly compare yourself with somebody whom you think is in a better place, comparing to physique. So I did that constantly, and Sammy replied just one thing: you can just unfollow people on Instagram whom you think is not healthy, and you just need to concentrate on how better you are growing from your yesterday. And whenever you just go off track, that's completely fine. We are humans, and you don't have deadlines like contest prep or something like that. So just take easy. Just try to build a positive relationship with what you eat, positive relationship with how active you are being, your sleep, as well as your mental health. So this is like a game changer to me completely. And then I somehow in one of her live, I remember she was speaking about Atomic Habits. Till then, I was a person, I always wanted to start reading books, but I had no idea where to begin. So then just because Sammy has told about Atomic Habits, I just downloaded the PDF from the internet, and then I just thought, okay, let me take it slow. And then I've started just reading 3 pages every single day in the morning as soon as I got up. And the book which Sammy has suggested was like, it's like a game changer. That's when I started building positive habits and started understanding how to take care of your life, rather than just beating up yourself regarding to how much you weigh every day or how much inch loss is happening or any physique related goals. So that book has literally changed my life, and I was very happy because Sammy has suggested me that. So along with her support regarding to nutrition, her support regarding to training, there were a few lifestyle tips which she has suggested me, which literally made me look at my life in a very different perspective, which is very rare for a coach to give. Because I have worked with a couple of coaches before who just talk about nutrition, who just talk about macros, who talk about how intense your training is, but very less about mental health or comparisons or your relationship with your body, and how you need to take care of your day-to-day progress, and how you need to adapt to a sustainable approach rather than going anything which is very aggressive. So that's something which is very different when it comes to coaching with Sammy, and that's what I have learned when it comes to working with her. So I was quite grateful because I have learned a lot of things which I couldn't find them. See, you cannot find these kind of things over the internet, or like it's very I can just say I'm grateful that I worked with her and that I got to know about things like this. And I was, again, my motivation or my progress level was like the ups and downs, where few days I just had to travel. And the time when I started working with Sammy, it was exactly 2 to 3 days before when they when they have announced that they are starting lockdown. So that's when the time when Corona started hitting each single country. So obviously, as you know, I was in complete lockdown when I started working with Sammy, and just staying at home when you are used to training in gym. You have almost less equipment at gym, your motivation levels are very low. And so that's when I started like writing big mails to Sammy, telling that I don't feel good, I don't feel nice, I just want to take a break, I want to travel and do something like that. She just understood. She didn't tell that your motivation level is not good or your willpower is not fine, nothing like that. She just told it's completely fine, just take time for yourself, just give some time. So that there are a few things which I have learned from Sammy, which has literally changed and has changed my life, and has created a major impact on how I see even minute things in my life. So the main thing which she has given me as a gift is she has brought me out of this all or nothing phase. I know how much I struggled with my food. I used to literally keep food in front of me and cry because I either want to just completely avoid meals or I want to binge eat, but not in between. And I knew how much I struggled with it. And I'm really thankful to Sammy because she has taught me things like this. And even when it comes to my protein intake, I just used to consume 3 to 4 scoops of whey, just depending only on whey. Whenever I don't get time for cooking, I just used to add a lot of scoops of whey just to increase my protein intake. Where she has explained me about amino acid profiles, and how you need to divide, how you need to take protein from different sources, how you need to take care of your fiber intake, and how it affects your health and all of that. These things are quite helpful to me. I just cannot tell in a single sentence or in a single word how helpful she has been, and I'm just looking forward to work with her back. And the thing is, the best part is she never told me to stress about weight, or she never was bothered about how fast I was reducing my weight or how my inch loss was. The only thing was she has taught me about tempo. She has taught me about how to engage muscle, how to engage core, and how to take each and everything in a very slow pace rather than going very aggressive. So this is something which I have learned, very valuable information from Sammy's coaching, and I highly recommend for women or for anybody who are looking for a sustainable approach when it comes to your lifestyle development. And I feel she's the best thing which has ever happened to me, and I'm really thankful for you, Sammy. Thank you so much.